Hey, in this video, you will get a complete overview of how to get your hands on affiliate marketing. Is it easy, why people fail in it, and whether is it worth doing affiliate marketing. You will also get to know about the important skills you need to have to become a successful affiliate marketer. Okay, so what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a kind of online marketing where you sell other people's products instead of your own product online to the customers to make a sale. The product can be a physical product as well as a digital product. You can think of it as a middleman where you get a commission for each sale you make. So, can you start affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing has no restrictions. You can contact the product owner and get your unique link, which is called the affiliate link, and whenever someone purchases the products through your affiliate link, you get a commission. You just need a bank account to receive your payments. So let's move on to the main section of the video and clarify some facts about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be highly rewarding, but it's certainly not a get-quick-rich scheme. You need to have a lot of patience and consistency to become a successful affiliate marketer. You need to promote your unique link, which is the affiliate link, on various internet platforms, so that maximum people see your content and eventually convert it into a purchase. But how do you do it? You can promote your links on various social media platforms by running ads on different platforms and by posting the good qualities of your product, its benefits, features, and how it can play a significant role. You can create your own website by either purchasing a domain name and hosting, or for free, using Google Sites for the promotion of your product. You can also use other free social sites such as Quora, Medium, and Pinterest, which have high traffic, by posting good content and mentioning your links. But how do you make the maximum views on your content that you created to make the most sales? Well, this is the part where most people give up and think affiliate marketing is too complicated stuff. This requires what is called proper search engine optimization on your content. This involves optimizing your post. Rather be it on your website, social media post, or post on Quora, Pinterest, or any other platform, to optimize it to a certain level, so that more people start to view your content, and more will be the conversion rate, which will eventually make Google rank your content higher in the search engine. Search engine optimization is not a complicated mechanism, but the freshers overestimate it and ignore it. It's an easy set of procedures you need to follow to optimize your content, which you will release on the internet to get the maximum views, which will eventually give you a higher conversion rate. So why do people fail in affiliate marketing? Most people who start affiliate marketing give up within the initial days because it requires patience and consistency. This mostly happens as they don't have any plan and they jump into the affiliate marketing field without having any previous knowledge, and they don't know what to do and how to do it. They give up because they don't have any plans on how to start properly. They just get their links and start promoting them on different platforms without any sort of knowledge in the field. This doesn't give them views, and hence there is no conversion rate. Affiliate marketing has very high potential. It's a very big market and can be highly rewarding if you don't give up. Affiliate marketing can be a great source of passive income and also has the potential to replace your 9-to-5 job, only if you have the patience and consistency. If you are a student or a newbie, you can also get started in affiliate marketing and make it a source of your passive income. If you keep the patience, consistency, and regularity in maintaining your content and updating the content on the internet, you will get rewarded. So, how to get started? If you want to get started, I would suggest you go through ClickBank or Warrior Plus to see the various categories of products and choose which of them you are comfortable promoting. There are many other platforms available, but they either require your own website or are not so suitable to begin with. Remember, affiliate marketing is not complicated, but is also not very easy. If you seriously want to get started in it, my suggestion to you would be to get some training done before starting in affiliate marketing, and try to get equipped with the skills and all the tips that will be helpful to become a successful affiliate marketer. As it will certainly make it easier for you, as compared to a freshman jumping into affiliate marketing without any knowledge and tips. There are many other videos on YouTube explaining affiliate marketing and how to do it. But if you seriously want to start affiliate marketing, you need a complete structured course that explains email marketing, search engine optimization, creating attractive content, posting it in high traffic zones, and optimizing it so that Google ranks it higher on the search engine. These are not at all complicated stuff, but will require some of your time and dedication. There are many fully structured and complete courses on affiliate marketing available on Udemy at a very minimal cost. If you have a very low budget to start, or want to start affiliate marketing for free, without any cost, you can check out the course in the description, which will provide you with great content at a very minimal cost. You will be guided with all the steps as you will learn all the skills and knowledge required to start affiliate marketing for free, without even spending a penny. But remember, again, affiliate marketing is not a quick rich scheme. It requires consistency and hard work for the initial time, before you start getting multiple sales within a day, and replace your 9-to-5 job. If you have seen other videos, saying that you can easily make about $6,000 to $7,000 a month in affiliate marketing, well, you can earn much more than that, but remember, it won't happen within a single day or night. It will take some time before you start making some serious sales, and believe me, it can be highly rewarding if you don't give up. So, this was a full overview of how to get started in the affiliate marketing field. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by giving the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below, and, lastly, if you like to see more videos like this, then be sure to hit the subscribe button, share with your peers, and let's go ahead and get to it.